EBS Kids.
Joe's creamy, dreamy ice cream will delight. One single bite and you can read and write.
Little Limo loves lemons. Pretty Pepper packs a punch.
And Oscar makes impossible ice cream. What about me? The bright and shining superstar Bling Bling. Joe's creamy, dreamy ice cream will delight. One single bite and you can read and write at Joe's Magic Ice Cream Truck. Welcome to Joe's Magic Ice Cream Truck. Magic Ice Cream Truck.
Bling Bling's big birthday. Happy birthday, Bling Bling! You're the best of the best. You are better than the rest. It's your birthday, and you're happy. You're a superstar. You are cool. You are fast. Always first. Never last. Happy birthday, Bling Bling. You're a superstar. Better than your silly birthday. Much bigger than the other days. Super duper birthday. Bright and shining. You're a superstar.
Happy birthday to me!
Here are your birthday presents.
Ooh, for me?
Ta-da!
Bananas? I hate bananas!
But I like bananas. Huh?
Bones? No, no, no!
Huh?
Bones are bad!
But I like bones.
Books? I hate books! Bad, bad, bad!
But I like books.
Bad, bad, bad! They are all your favorites!
Aww.
I want something bling bling for my birthday!
What about some birthday ice cream?
Oh, yes! That's it!
We have sold 1,000 ice creams in Alphatown.
Wow, that's a big number.
A big number.
But we need to sell 10,000 ice creams before we leave Alphatown.
Leave Alphatown?
Yes, the Frost family always sells 10,000 ice cream before we move to the next town.
10,000! Limo!
Pepper, Pepper! So, let's make some ice cream and have fun!
Hello, everyone! Do you know what day it is today? I'll give you a hint. It starts with B.
Bus day!
Beep, beep. Bus.
No, no, no.
Bath day?
Bath.
No, no, no. That's not right. It's
Bunny Day? Huh?
Boing, boing, boing. Bunny.
Birthday! Today is my birthday!
Wow, happy birthday, Bling Bling.
Happy birthday!
Thank you, thank you. Now, give me a big birthday ice cream.
Okay. Birthday ice cream for Bling Bling.
Huh. Bring it to my house, quickly. Huh.
Oscar, what ice cream shall we make for Bling Bling's birthday?
Bling Bling's birthday!
What about 3 big wishes ice cream? 1 bite and you will get 3 big wishes.
3 big wishes!
Good. It's a beautiful day to make some ice cream.
Oscar's impossible ice cream recipe. Bling Bling is big.
Back.
Big. Bling Bling is blue.
Brown. Black.
Blue. Bling Bling loves butter.
Butterfly. Button.
Butter. Big.
Big.
Blue.
Blue.
Butter.
Butter. Boca, boca, boca. Boca, boca, boca. Boca, 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 boca.
Bling Bling is big.
Big. Boca, boca.
Bling Bling is blue.
Blue. Boca, boca.
Bling Bling loves butter.
Butter. Boca, boca, boca.
Big blue butter.
Big blue butter. Boca, 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 boca. Boca, boca, boca. Boca, boca, boca. Boca, 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 boca. Boca, boca, boca. Wow.
Wow. 3 big wishes ice cream.
3 big wishes ice cream. Wow. Whoa.
Oh.
Happy birthday, Bling Bling. 3 big wishes ice cream.
Oh? I get 3 big wishes?
Yellow.
Brilliant!
Lemon. Pepper.
No. Bad. Shoo! 1, 2, 3. 3 big wishes. What shall I wish for? Oh, I could be the richest man in the world. I'm rich. Or I could be the most beautiful man in the world. I'm so beautiful. Yes, time to eat this ice cream and make a wish. I wish to be a...
Be careful. Don't dribble like a baby.
Baby? I wish to be a baby.
What happened?
Bling Bling, you are a baby.
No, no, no. I don't want to be a baby. Peekaboo! 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 Silver, stop! I have to make another wish. I wish to be a...
Hello, baby store. I need 100 diapers. 100 bottles. How much? That's too much. We'll be beggars.
Huh? Beggars? I wish to be a beggar. No!
Oh no! What happened? I am a beggar now? Please help me. Just one coin.
Help! Help!
Help? I'm a superstar.
Bling Bling?
You said this was the 3 Big Wishes ice cream. Big wishes? No, bad wishes.
Mocha! Mocha!
Okay, this time I will make a good wish. I wish to go back. 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 Oh, I went too far back. Worst birthday ever.
Joe!
Do you want me to read you a story?
Story! Story!
Okay. The baby with the big belly button. Everyone is asleep. But look, the baby with the big belly button is waking up. Stamp, stomp, stamp, stomp. Can you hear footsteps? There's a big shadow. It's getting bigger and bigger. What is it? A big bird? A big bunny? A big bear? No, it's a big beast.
Roar! I'm a big, scary beast.
The baby presses on his big belly button. Look, a banana. The big beast steps on the banana. He slips over.
I'm going to eat you and your big belly button.
The baby presses on his big belly button again. Look, bees.
Help!
The baby presses his big belly button again. Look, balls.
Help!
Wow, you are a brave baby. Good night, baby with the big belly button.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Bling Bling. Happy birthday to you. It's a birthday party for Bling Bling. He's beautiful and blue. So bring a present for Bling Bling. And big balloons for me and you. It's birthday party time. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Everybody bump, bump, bump. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Everybody bump, bump, bump. Happy birthday, Bling Bling. Bend your arms. Bend your legs. Everybody bend your body. Everybody bounce, bounce, bounce. Happy birthday, Bling Bling. Joe's creamy, dreamy ice cream will delight. One single bite and you can read and write.
Little Limo loves lemons.
lemons.
Pretty Pepper packs a punch.
And Oscar makes impossible ice cream.
What about me?
The bright and shining superstar.
Bling Bling!
Joe's creamy, dreamy ice cream will delight. One single bite and you can read and write at Joe's Magic Ice Cream Truck. Welcome to Joe's Magic Ice Cream Truck.
Magic ice cream truck.